Welcome to Copenhagen on a very short but sweet whistle-stop tour of Copenhagen. This behind me is Christianshavn, which is the Parliament. So having a bit of a walk today and then a cycle tomorrow. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up or press the red button to subscribe or the bell to get a notification every Friday when I post a new video on Sue, Where, Why, What. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoy it. So now in stunning Nyhavn, and before you write anything, I know I've pronounced it wrong. It's absolutely beautiful. Apparently if you stop along the places along the front here, they're really expensive. People say go to Lidl, I think, which is just around the corner, buy something and sit by the canal. But I think we're going to suck it up because it looks too beautiful not to. But how stunning is this? So apparently Hans Christian Andersen lived in at least 2 houses, maybe 3 houses along here at some point during his life. So apart from being beautiful, it's a very historic spot. And actually well worth stopping for a beer or two. We're here at Amalienborg, which is the home of the Danish royal family. It's 4 palaces around a central area. That's Caroline, my friend. Saying hello there. Lovely, with a gorgeous statue in the middle too. So they have guards in impressive outfits. I'll go see if I can get a video of those two. We're headed for the Little Mermaid statue, which everybody says is slightly underwhelming when you come to Copenhagen. But on the way we found this oasis called Kastellet. It's one of the best preserved fortresses in Europe, built in the 17th century. So we're going to have a little wander around here, and apparently the barracks are still in use. So a gorgeous little oasis in the middle of the city, on the way to potentially an underwhelming but must-see statue. She may be small, but she's very popular. So this is St Albans Church, which interestingly is also the place where I live in St Albans, at home in the UK. So, just about to reach the top of the Church of Our Saviour in Copenhagen. Been up tiny wooden steps, round and round in circles, but amazing views from the top of all around the city. Well worth doing if you're in Copenhagen. So this is the Church of St Saviour, and this is where we've been, right to the very top of there. Well worth it, absolutely stunning views. Something you have to do in Copenhagen is hire a bike and go cycling. We've been cycling today. We've gone to Christianshavn, which is a free town, and then just basically been around the canals, drunk a little cava, and yeah, been up to the top of the Church of the Saviour. Now we have to get the bikes back, but it's well worth doing it, and I'm not a confident cyclist, and it's been okay for me. It's one of the most cycle-friendly cities in the world. Everywhere's got bike tracks, so definitely do it when you come to Copenhagen. So first day was walking, yesterday was all about the bike, so today it's off on a boat tour. Hope you enjoy it.